Hi there, Sabine here with some thoughts for the day. It seems like I always get inspired to do videos when I'm here at the Pinery walking. But today I'm actually gonna start by being silent. Just listen for a moment. I find today to be particularly musical in terms of the bird song. It's not always like that here. But I wanted to share this because music is such a deep expression of the soul and soul life, and a healer too. And it comes in all kinds of forms. Neil Diamond made a song about it, about the beautiful noise in the city. And if we listen carefully, we can find music that freshens, refreshes, heals our soul in all kinds of places and with all kinds of sounds. So, just a short reminder today to be silent sometimes. Take your own words, your own thoughts out of the way and listen to what's around you. Let the sounds of the world, the music that is around you, heal you, heal your soul. Have a very beautiful week and happy Canada Day.